Gadinandana, studying Gemzan Indian School, Dubai in grade 1E. Today I'm going to show you what's inside my math toolkit. Here I've drawn some things. These are 10 frames. These are tally marks. This is patterns and bigger and less than signs. And the last one is tens and ones. Now I'm going to show you what's inside. So I'm going to open it and show you. This is my number chart, 1 to 100. These are my 2 10 frames. I have 2 dices. These are some blocks in a group of 10. These are colorful popsicle sticks. Here I got some bottle caps. There is 100 counters in this box. Here I have some straws in a group of 10. So these are the things that were in my math toolkit. Thank you. Hope you like it.